Hello patrons, my name is Jeremy. I'm the Technology Coordinator at the Eaton Rapids Area District Library. And today we're going to talk about the new online public access catalog, or OPAC for short. To access this, the easiest way is to start off at our website, eradl.org, and click the link that says Browse Our Catalog. That will take you over to our new OPAC system. For those of you that have been around the library and have used the previous system, you will notice that this looks quite a bit different. But I assure you that all the same functionality is there, plus some great bells and whistles. Just to give you a quick overview, you've got a search box up here in the top left corner, and you've also got a search box in the middle that gives you a few more options. We've got a carousel showing what's new in the library. So recently cataloged items will show up in this carousel. At the bottom, starting at the left-hand side, there's a QR code that you can scan with your phone to be able to get the Librista app for your phone or tablet. This runs on both Android and iOS, so you're covered whether you've got a Samsung or an iPhone, or anything else really. In the center, it has a sign up for a library card, and then on the right, it gives an estimate of what patrons have saved this year by checking out items from the library instead of buying them. Let's go through the tabs at the top of the screen one by one and take a look at what they offer. We've gone through the Home tab already, so let's move to the Search tab. Here in the Search tab, you have types of searches, ranging from a combo search, and it gives you a description of each of these: advanced, media, study programs, Lexile, visual, book lists, and browse collection. The Visual tab, as I mentioned, this is one of my favorite new features. If you're looking for non-fiction books especially, you can do what I like to refer to as a drill down search. They call it here search by classification. If we click this button, it lists the classification numbers of the Dewey Decimal System. So if we drill down into the triple zeros, we've got computers and computing, encyclopedias, and journalism. If we go one step further, you can see that the book we've got in the computers and computing category is My Facebook for Seniors. Don't worry, we will be adding more books in this area in the future, but this is just an example to show you how you can drill down. If we come back to visual search, you can also search recent editions, general interests, award winners, and materials by type. And this will tell you or give you a list of recently released books. One nice feature of the new system is you can tell at a glance if the item is in or out. Right here, we're seeing that the item is in and it's located in the main library. If we come down a few more items, we find one that is in fact out. Now, what if you wanted to reserve this item? You would click on the title, and you would click the reserve button, and then reserve again. And this will, of course, ask you for your barcode number and password. So let me bring this up. I can log on. And this confirms that I have reserved this item. You can click OK and close. All right, so if we jump back up to the top, on the right hand side, it shows that we are currently logged in. We've got a temporary book bag, which we'll talk about a little later, and my items. If I come to my items, it shows that we have an item reserved. And if you decide that you don't want it, then you can select the item and you can cancel the reserve. It's just that easy. But wait, there's more. If we come back to the search tab, we'll just do a combo search. And we'll put in the author of Rolling, and we'll say Harry Potter, and we'll do a search. And you can see our list of Harry Potter items. If you want to, over here on the left side, we can drill down by material type. And let's say we just want the books. And that's all good. But what if you're one of those people who has embraced technology to some extent and likes to read eBooks? You've got a Kindle or some other e-reader. The great thing about our new system, one of the many great things about our new system, is that you can jump over to Overdrive. It lists all of the Harry Potter books that are available through Overdrive. And this might take a minute to grab the search options on the side. Myself, I've got a Kindle, so I'm going to click on Kindle books. And these are all the books that I can check out and have sent to my Kindle. So if I wanted to get the Sorcerer's Stone, I could click on this item. I could look at details, holdings, reviews. If we come back to summary, we can be taken directly to Overdrive. And we can see currently 0 of 2 copies are available. And then you would interact with Overdrive just as you have before. You will likely need to sign in. And then you can place a hold so that when that ebook becomes available again, you can check it out and read it on your Kindle. Let's jump back here. You can close out of that. Another addition with the new system is the idea of lists. If you jump over here to lists, I'll make this a little larger. You can see that there are various book lists. Miss Erin and Miss Emma have jumped on this and built some lists. So if we wanted to look at banned books, Miss Erin has been kind enough to build a banned books list. And so we can see all of these items. Again, if we want to drill down, so we're just getting books. You can see at a glance whether they're in or out. And again, you'd be able to make a reserve on this if you find something you'd like. The other thing I wanted to point out in this video before it gets too long is that you've got the option of creating what are called temporary book bags. These are just items that you would like to read at some point in the future. And you can see I've got 3 items listed in my temporary book bag currently. If I go to view, I was just playing around with this feature and I added All American Boys. This is on the banned book list, I believe. Oliver Twist and A Tale of Two Cities. Again, I was just playing with the feature. And so you can select all of these. And in my case, I'm going to say remove selected. Now, the interesting thing, and I can't show it in this video, but if you were to download the Librista app on your phone and scan a barcode using the app, it will search our catalog and see if we have that book. This can be handy if you are browsing in a bookstore and you see something interesting. You can, using the app, check to see if we have that item at the library before you make a purchase. Now, bookstores probably won't like that too much, but it's money that stays in your pocket. The last tab going across the top is links. Currently, we only have 2 links listed: News and Messages, which is also on the front page, and Michigan eLibrary. And of course, that will take you to the Michigan eLibrary, where you can continue to search books if you'd like. So that gives you a little bit of a rundown of some of the new features of our Atriuum OPAC system. If you have questions or problems with the system, please feel free to go to our website. You can use the chat function here at the bottom, or you can call us at 517-663-0950. So, with all that being said, I would encourage you to start playing around with the new system. Again, the easiest way to access that is going to our website and clicking the Browse Our Catalog link here at the top, which will take you directly to our OPAC. One last thing, when you are done using the system, you want to make sure you log off. And then you're ready for the next session, and you don't have to worry about other family members or other people in general using your account and checking your history or anything like that. And it gives you some peace of mind about using the system and about your privacy. I think that covers everything at a high level. I will be making additional videos going into some deeper detail on some of these specific features and how you can make the most of the new system. If everything works out, I will also be recording some videos that deal specifically with the Librista app. I won't be able to show the install process, but I can show you the basics of how to use the app. And that should make things a little easier. So once again, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope this puts you a little more at ease about the new system. So far, the staff have found this system to be very easy to use, and the search functionality especially works a whole lot better than what we had before. So again, I encourage you to take a look, play with the system, see what you can find, and let us know if you have any questions or concerns, and we will try to address those. Thank you once again for watching. I will see you at the library. Have a great day.